When you're out on the road in your van, motorhome or caravan, reliable power isn't just convenient, it's essential. Today we're unboxing the LiTime 12V 100Ah trolling motor lithium battery, a high-performance lithium power source built to keep your journey going longer, stronger and smarter. This doesn't mean it's limited in its use for other applications. Everything is clearly marked and displayed nicely. They also threw in some cool LiTime merch, a bunch of magnets and some handy LiTime work gloves, and a nifty rechargeable hanging light. Let's talk specs. This battery delivers 100 amp hours at 12.8 volts, built with premium grade lithium iron phosphate cells, offering exceptional safety, efficiency and longevity. With over 4,000 charge cycles, it's designed for years of dependable use, even under demanding conditions. It's also built to handle high draw appliances with ease. A built-in battery management system protects against overcharging, deep discharging, overheating and short circuits, giving you the peace of mind you need when camping off-grid or parked away from power. We chucked on the LiTime work gloves they gifted us and hooked up the battery to the charger, which is sold separately. To match the usable capacity of this 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour lithium battery, you'd need around 4 lead-acid batteries, and those can easily weigh well over 60 kilos combined. The LiTime battery, just around 10 kilos. That's a huge weight saving in your van or caravan, and a lot less space taken up too. Whether you're powering lights, fans, your fridge, or a full inverter setup, this battery delivers stable voltage and consistent performance, all without the bulk or hassle of traditional setups. It's lighter, smarter, and just works when you need it most. We used a multimeter to check the charge level and cross-referenced it with the manual to confirm it was fully charged. Bottom line, the LiTime 12V 100 amp hour trolling motor lithium battery is a serious upgrade for anyone relying on dependable, long-lasting power for your boat, RV, caravan or motorhome. While the upfront cost is higher, the weight savings, lifespan and overall performance make it a smart investment for regular travelers and off-grid living. Need power that goes the distance without the bulk? This battery's worth every amp and dollar. If you're interested in trying out a LiTime product for yourself, we've included our affiliate link in the description below. Every purchase made through the link helps support the channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you all in our next video.